lecture 43 based on 4th unit for the subject digital signal processing, and in this lecture we are going to solve numerical problem based on this DIF algorithm. Okay. So, let us take one example over there. Okay. So, the question is given, compute DFT of x n. So, x n is given to you, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, and asking about the using the compute the DFT using the DIF FFT algorithm. Okay. So, here you can see the x n is given. So, number of points in this x n is 4. Okay. So, 4 point DFT. Okay. So, for this 4 point DFT we have only 2 stages, okay, because 2 to the power 2, that is n equal to 2 to the power v and v equal to log 2 n. So, log 2 to the power base 2 to the power 2, that is coming 2. Okay. So, only 2 stages are required. So, we have x 0 because the function is given. So, starting from here 0. So, x 0, x 1, x 2, x 3 are given. Okay. So, we know the butterfly structure for this. So, for this at this point you have to do in this way. For at this point we have this structure. At this point you have this x 2 multiply with minus 1, okay, and this x 0, and at this point and after that you have to multiply W 4 0, and at this point you have x 1 summation with x 3 multiplying with minus 1 multiplier, and after that multiply with W 4. So, we will get these value over here. Now, at this point, okay, you have simple structure over here, butterfly structure. Okay. Now, at this point you have multiplying this minus 1, and at this point you have multiplier and you have this value. So, in this way we can calculate this butterfly structure, we can calculate this x 0, x 2, x 1, x 3. So, if I talk about the x 0, okay, so at this point x 0 will be, firstly it is coming, what is the value of over here, that is 2, 4, minus 2, minus 2. Okay. So, x 0 पे क्या देखें, so finally summation of this is coming over here and this is coming over here. So, 2 and 4, that is coming 6 at this point value. At x 2 it is coming 2 from here, okay, and 4 is multiplying with minus 1. So, minus 4. So, that is minus 2 over here. Okay. After that, at this point you have minus 2 multiplying with W 4 0. Okay. So, W 4 0 nothing else the your minus j. So, minus 2 minus j, then it is coming from here. At this point if I talk about, value is coming from here and here. So, minus 2 multiplying with W 4 1. Okay. So, minus 2 multiplying with W 4 1, that is minus j, and this is W 4 0, that is 1. So, 2 into minus 2, 2 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. So, we will get this minus 2 plus 2 j. At this point if I talk about, so it is coming from here minus 2 multiplying with multiplier this W 4 0, that is nothing else 1. So, minus 2 and minus 2 multiplying with W 4 1. So, minus 2 multiplying with W 4 1, that is minus j. So, we will get this value. So, from here you can also, we have calculated W 4 0, W 4 1. So, in this way we can calculate this value 2 j and minus 2 minus 2 j. Okay. So, what will be the value of x k final? X equal to 6 minus 2 plus 2j, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2j. So, please keep one point in your mind, that is the sequence is given x 0, x 2, x 4 and x 3. Okay. When you write it down x k, so obviously starting from x 0, x 1, x 2 and x 3. Okay. So, that will be x capital X 0, x 1, x 2, x 3. So, write it in this way. Okay. So, x 0 is 6, x 1 is minus 2 plus 2j, x 2 is minus 2. So, minus 2 is there, and x 3 is over here minus 2 minus 2j. Okay. So, in this way we can easily calculate this DIF FFT, okay, for any given DFT. Okay. So, this is all about today's lecture. Okay. So, thank you students.